The human heart is a powerful muscular organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the entire body. It is divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria at the top and 2 ventricles at the bottom. Deoxygenated blood enters the heart through the right atrium, carried by the veins. It then passes through a valve into the right ventricle. From there, the heart pumps blood to the lungs, where it receives oxygen. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is released, and oxygen enters the bloodstream. The oxygen-rich blood then returns to the heart, entering the left atrium. It moves into the left ventricle, the strongest chamber of the heart. From here, the heart pumps oxygenated blood through the arteries to the rest of the body. These valves ensure that blood flows in only one direction. This continuous cycle keeps the body alive, delivering oxygen and removing waste every second.